Hello guys, welcome. On today's tutorial, we are going to start a series on network analysis. So network analysis in GIS helps you to model and analyze movement over connected linear features such as roads, rivers, or pipelines. So we have a road here, and then we have a start point and we have an end point, right? Good. So we want to know the shortest distance between these 2 points. Now, if you come to processing toolbox and you go to network analysis, we are using the shortest path, point to point, right? Good. So now let's open that up. Now, according to the description here, this algorithm computes the optimal, shortest or fastest route between given start and end points, right? Good. So the vector layer representing the network will be the road, and then the path to calculate, we are going to use shortest for now because we don't have the parameter for speed on this particular tutorial, which we are going to build on. So let's just stick with the shortest first, and then for the start point, we can use these 3 dots to now identify which is the start point, and then also use this to identify which is the end point, right? Good. Or you can type in the coordinates. So let's click on this, then we take this as our start point. You see that the coordinate has been displayed. Similarly, your endpoint, you can still decide to have this as your endpoint, right? Good. Now, having fixed that, one thing to note is that since distances will be computed, it's always better your data sets are in a projected coordinate reference system whose unit is maybe meter or any other linear unit, right? Good. So we are going to leave these advanced parameters out of today's tutorial. For the shortest path, we can decide to save to file. Good. So we have that as shortest path, and then we can run. So let's close this. We can now see the shortest path between these 2 points, right? So we can decide to change the color of this to something reddish, and then maybe we can make this blue. So along this our road, or along this our route, this is actually the shortest path between these 2 points, right? Good. So this is the first we are going to take on this series. Subsequently, we are going to introduce speed and other advanced parameters. So until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.